Let's talk a little bit about Italy. Considering we are at Ambrosetti in Italy, you just said it's an investment opportunity. What in particular does it make right now a good investment, and how do you see the political development under Renzi going forward?
Well, it's really a bridge too far for me to comment on Renzi's new administration. That's an Italian matter, and I had dinner with him a little over a year ago, and he was smart, he was aggressive, he was quick, and he was a positive person. How that translates into the Italian system, which is a highly complex one, I really can't say, but I think it's a good thing to have somebody of a different age bracket with a different level of general enthusiasm, and we all wish well. For Italy. In terms of our activity here, it's been very muted for a few years, given the magnitude of the financial crisis and the difficulties in Italy. Now, we're starting to buy real estate here, and we also made one corporate investment. We just bought into Versace. In fact, the closing was yesterday. Which is one reason I'm in Milan. Now, most of the companies we're buying in Europe have the ability to export. We're not depending on the domestic economy. And a company like Versace, for example, which sells its product globally and could sell a lot more of it, is a very interesting type of opportunity. And others have prospered in the fashion world, and design is one of the most wonderful talents of Italy and the Italians, and we hope to be able to help them expand, and I think we'll be quite successful. In real estate in Italy, it's very difficult when banks are under pressure for years for real estate to do particularly well. And as a result of that, there's a lot of distress in that sector. And part of what we do is we buy those types of distressed opportunities, and what we try and do is fix those properties up, restructure them, and put them in a better place. Some properties, frankly, are quite good. We started out about 2 years ago buying warehouses in northern Italy. The yields were very high. Everyone was scared of Italy. The Italians, I think, were scared of Italy. And as a result, we could buy warehouses with yields of, 9%. And if we put leverage on top of them, we would get close to 20% returns, having done nothing whatsoever to the property except not being scared of Italy. So things like that, compared to most returns that most investors get, are hugely better. And so we look at Italy as a potential opportunity for us.